Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of -0.70 for films, which is notably low. If you compare this to our historical baseline, it suggests a sharp downturn in public perception. This isn't just noise, it's a significant shift, especially with momentum climbing to +0.30. There's clearly something happening in the film landscape that's causing this dip. Our API returns a wealth of insights, including trends like these, sentiment scores, and semantic clusters that can help you decipher public opinion. Imagine you're developing a recommendation engine for a streaming service. You could use this data to adjust viewing suggestions, steering users away from poorly received films while promoting those with positive sentiment. For more on how to leverage this data effectively, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.